What's up, YouTube? It's been a while. You know, I've had quite a few messages going, "Hey, what's going on, man? You fallen off the earth?" Or, well, it's just been a lot of changes going on here. As you might have imagined, I've been kind of talking about changes that are coming. Still working on the vet. Haven't done much work on it recently. Just been too damn cold out here. I'm not with it. I still got my bike. I still got the big truck. You know, stuff going on, but you know, my daughter's here full time. We're loving it, spending lots of time together, kayak and all kinds of cool stuff. And well, we just added a new puppy, and I'll put in a little clip of her right here. So this is Layla. Well, most of you already know Maggie, the tiger dog. Layla's her new little sister. It's a 9-month-old female Great Dane. Came out of a rescue in Northwest Florida. Drove up to about 4 hours one way up to Tallahassee to pick her up, and she's a sweetheart, and she's going to be a big girl. But she's the newest addition to the clan here, and fitting right in. Layla. And she's a very good girl. So you'll be seeing a lot more Layla and Maggie, who are best friends right now, as we get to the new place and get spread out, and the antics continue. And she's doing great, but she's taking up a whole lot of time. You know, I can leave her for little bits of time at a clip, but not a whole lot at one time. She's still young. She's still figuring it out. Gets a little bit anxious, and Maggie's been a big help with that. But you know, trying to do the right thing by her. But I got lots of stuff coming up. You know, with the new homestead, we're about, gosh, I'm about 2 weeks away from closing on that sucker. And once the homestead gets in, or once the homestead gets bought, bruh. But I got about 2 weeks until the closing on the new homestead. So once that new place gets all finished up, I'm going to be doing a ton of projects around that house. So I'm going to start having videos on all the stuff that I'm doing to that house, and it needs a ton of work, which is what I like. I like a nice healthy project, and it's lots of projects in that house, believe me. And then we'll be doing the shop build as well, and so there'll be videos coming up of all that stuff. Ultimately, what's going to happen is once I get the shop built, I want to start being able to take in and fix up and sell off, you know, cars and bikes and whatever catches my fancy. So there'll be a lot more videos for that too. I can't help but mechanic, and it's been in my blood since I was a little kid. So it is what it is. Coming up real quickly, I got a couple of videos coming up on the big truck, just some stuff I need to get tidied away. I have parts sitting here for months and some of it, and some new stuff, but I also have a little bit of work to do on the vet to get done before I even get into the body work, and that'll all come once the shop is finished and I have the space and a clean environment to work in and can get it painted up. New tail light going on. I still have the front brakes here. The front brakes on the truck they're just getting a little pulsation when it gets real hot. You know, even day-to-day driving around town, you don't really feel it. But if I get out on the highway for 45 minutes or an hour, front rotor's getting a little warped. When they get real hot, they warp. So I'm gonna do a set of rotors and pads on that and clean it up. And what else we got? We got nice plasma cutter, just delivered by Amazon. We'll be unboxing and checking that sucker out, and testing it out, doing some fabrication. What else? Well, I mean, that's about it right now. Just been a ton of stuff going on personally. You know, the holidays been here, and it's been colder than heck the last 2 weeks here in Florida. Haven't been motivated to get out in the cold and do anything that didn't need to get done right now. So I've been kind of putting it off, and I've been neglecting my YouTube channel a little bit. So we're going to fix that. So stay tuned. There's lots more coming, and it's going to get wilder. You know, we got house stuff and dog stuff and kid stuff and all kinds of stuff going on. I've actually been debating whether I should change the name from Viking Motorworks, since I'm really not doing a whole lot of motor stuff lately. But, you know, with the future coming, and we start turning out bikes and cars, and me start turning out bikes and cars, and, you know, just for fun and maybe just a little bit of profit. Well, I think the Viking Motorworks will be a little more appropriate. But if you think I should change the name or do a second channel or something, you know, let me know in the comments. Tell me what you think. But it's been fun talking to you all, and keep an eye out. More videos coming, I promise. Take care.
Do it. Do it.